To prepare cubed beef for soups, place 10-pound sleeve in full-size 6-inch solid pan. Using a knife, pierce the sleeve in numerous locations. Steam the beef until an internal temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Remove and start the cooling process by placing in a pan with a bag of ice over the beef and placing in the refrigerator. Once the beef is chilled to 41 degrees, remove the plastic and cut into 1-inch thick pieces. Then cut into 1-inch strips and finally into 1-inch dices for soups or stews. Slicer may be used if available to slice into 1-inch slices. Another option is to place the 10 pounds of beef in a full-size 6-inch solid pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes until an internal temperature of 155 degrees is reached. Cool to 41 degrees and cut into 1-inch cubes. The final product will look similar to high-quality whole cuts of beef that may be used in vegetable beef soup.